That's cool. I can climb up the wall. I didn't know that I could climb a wall.
This is the Fanttik Aero X Smart Pool Vacuum. Why can it become the world's first? It was developed by a talented team with DJI lineage, combining advanced drone sensor technology with pool cleaning robotics. This is the first of its kind. It has a dual system design so that the brush moves independently from the wheels. The controls are easy to use and very intuitive. The vacuum comes with a large capacity basket for collecting leaves, debris, dust, and dirt. We'll see it in action later in the video. One of my favorite additions to the basket is the leaf bag. It can also act as an additional layer of filtration. The Aero X comes with this amazing remote control. It can actually control the vacuum while it's in the water. My kids love to play with it and drive it around like a remote control car. It's very useful for pinpointing dirt spots that you want cleaned. The built-in voice prompts provide real-time feedback, making the user experience smoother.
Floor, water line, all around, scheduled cleaning, focus cleaning.
Look how easy it is to use this remote control. The remote control connects with the receiver that is floating in the water and is able to control the vacuum while it's in the water. Watch how responsive it is. This vacuum moves quick and smooth. This amazing robot won the 2025 American Good Design Award, even before it was released. Viewing the Aero X from the bottom, we can see how effective the powerful suction is. It pulls in rocks, sand, and debris with amazing results. The brush helps scrub the pool bottom, while the wide vacuum intake is able to suck up anything in its path. As you can see, this demonstration speaks for itself. The Fanttik Aero X is the world's first robotic pool cleaner equipped with dual system design. The roller brush and wheels operate as independent systems, ensuring more efficient cleaning. Notice how the brush keeps moving even when the vacuum stops? With 100 watts of power, this vacuum has no problem sucking up dirt and debris off the bottom of the pool. Watch as it leaves a clean path in its wake. Also, the Aero X features 12 high-precision sensors, enabling an FSD smart path planning experience. The Twin Flex system is powered by the Adapt Drive active invert brush system and the Swift Cruise mobile platform. Paired with the Swift Cruise flexible track, it delivers exceptional traction and adapts to various pool shapes and materials. Together, these components form the Twin Flex cleaning system. No need to remove the robot from the water. You can easily set cleaning modes and control the robot in real time via the app. The maximum working time for the Aero X is 6 hours. In the app, you can adjust the schedule to match your lifestyle and routine. You can also adjust the speed and control the vacuum. The handheld remote always allows you to adjust the robot's cleaning path or set specific cleaning targets, meeting diverse needs and providing an intellectual cleaning experience. I put it to the test and was very surprised by the outcome. I put it in this very dirty pool that had been sitting for a long time without any cleaning. I let the Aero X run for 6 hours. That night, I pulled it out and was surprised to see what I found in the basket. It was full of debris and garbage, but more impressive than anything was the fine material that it was able to capture on the basket's filter. The leaf bag was able to capture all of the larger material, while the basket was able to capture the finer material like dust. After charging the Aero X, the next morning I put the vacuum in for another 6 hours. The Aero X pool robot redefines cleaning speed. Its cleaning speed reaches up to over 1,000 square feet per hour. And with the wider 15.7-inch rotating brush, it covers a larger area in the same amount of time, allowing your pool to quickly return to a clean state. With dual ultrasonic and 12 high-precision sensors, Aquapilot provides real-time pool coverage and accurately tracks the robot's position. Its proprietary navigation algorithm optimizes the cleaning path, efficiently covering the floor, walls, and waterline for thorough cleaning. The Adapt Drive brush adjusts its rotation speed to target stubborn stains along the pool edges and waterline. The Aero X is still the world's first inclined waterline robot pool cleaner. Its two systems work simultaneously. The core system enables the Aero X to move at an inclined angle of 30 to 45 degrees, while the brush rolling system focuses on cleaning. This makes the cleaning area of the waterline higher and wider. No other robot has advanced like this so far. The maximum working time for the Aero X is 6 hours. When the battery is low, the robot automatically docks at the pool side for easy retrieval. Fanttik is currently running a buy one get one free promotion. When you purchase one robot, you'll get a free W10 Apex cordless chainsaw valued at $150, or a free C8 nano electric scissors valued at $70. I'll leave an Amazon link below. On that page, if you apply the current Amazon coupon of $200 off and then use my code, you'll get an additional $100 discount on top of that. That's a total of $300. And you can get it at a discounted price of $899 and get a total free gift. It's a great deal. The promotion will end soon, so don't miss out.